We're back on the M5 again, and as you can see, this is why people come back to have things done correctly. This person has slipped with the knife a few times. Why they've used the knife, I don't know. Could just use cutting tape to do this. You can see there a slight little line where they slipped with the knife and even cut the vinyl. And then the reason the customer has requested that I rewrap it for him is because of stuff like this. That either hasn't been post-heated after it's been wrapped, or it's been overheated as they've pulled and stretched it round, which again isn't good. And then the underside, it's not great. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove all of that. Look at that. See that little nick there? We're going to remove all of this. Take this off, bin it, clean up the parts. After I've stripped all the parts off, of course, clean up the parts. And then, when it's ready, I'm going to put in the inside edge, I'm just going to put some 3M primer, which allows it to remain sticky around there, and it sort of helps hold the vinyl in place. So that's the idea anyway. Long job this one, already falling behind on it because I've just had to fit a camera for a customer, so each time my day just gets eaten away. Watch this space.